In this video, I'll show you how to import an HTML email template to Brevo. So I think let's start off with the Brevo setup. What you want to do is click on Marketing on the left-hand side, and then we're going to click on Templates. Then we're going all the way to the top right to click on Create Template. Now in here, we just need to fill out all this information. Nothing too complicated, just names, subject lines, who's sending the email, and the name of the company. And when you're done, you want to go to the top right and click on Next Step. Over here, we want to go to Code Your Own. Then we want to click on Paste Your Code. And now we have this giant white block here. And what we need to do now is open our email template. So go to where your email template is located and just double click on the HTML, and that should open it up in your default browser. Then you want to right click and we want to say View Page Source. And you want to highlight and copy every single line of code here. And then you're going to paste all of that code back into Brevo. And just to be sure everything is correct, just click on Preview and Test, and it should look exactly the way it looked in your browser. And when you're done, you can just hit the X on the top right of this block, and then you can click on Save and Quit. And if you're happy, you can just click Save and Activate on the top right. And that's all I've got for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.